Hey guys, Adrian here on the behalf of TechSocial.com, and today we are taking a look at Laza List. And what this is a to-do list manager, and not only that, it allows you to do a couple other things like decision making, team maker. So it allows it does decision making. It's a to-do list management. It's all in one management app essentially. And it's really cool here. So taking a look at the interface, as soon as you get in, you can jump in right here to the main menu of Laza List, and you have a couple of options. So you can kind of choose what you want to do here. So, for example, if I want to go into my to-do list, I can simply tap at the top, to-do list, and you can see here I have a to-do list. Now, what's so cool about the Laza List to-do list is you have a lot of different options and a lot of cool gestures. So, if you want to make a new one, you can tap on the plus at the very top here, or just pull down and release to create a new list. So you can see there I can just release and create a new list if I wanted to. And or return to a new list. So you can see here, release right there, continue, make a new list, and I can just say, for example, test. Now what's so cool about their list is you can go 3 layers deep. So what's really awesome about this is it allows you to get really organized in case you want to make really detailed lists. So for example here, I can go, going back, I go to do, I can go into, for example, I have a store here, the Shop At's local grocery market, so I can tap in groceries, or Shop At there, and I can have a list for things I need to get at the Shop At. Now let's say I want to categorize that further. Like I said, I can have something like food, I can have drinks, for example. So I'll say drinks, and then I can go into the food category, and you can see there I have coffee, but I guess I can, if I wanted to, I can move that to drinks. So let's say it doesn't belong here. I can just swipe to the left and or to the right to check it off, left to delete it here. So if I swipe left, I can delete it. And you can see they're really intuitive gestures, and again, it lets you go 3 layers deep. That way you can really get organized. So you can see that when you go into the your list here, that you have multiple items within the list. It helps you really get organized. So when you're going for the example, instead of having a to-do item that says grocery list, and then you have to click into grocery list and add a whole bunch of things, you can say grocery list, and then you can subcategorize that into food, drinks, accessories, stuff like that. And it allows you to really narrow that down. On the top right here, you can click to organize them by alphabetical, due dates, and or completeness. And you can additionally click on the calendar to set a reminder for the due date there. Going back, they also offer a couple other things. So for example, they also have a decision maker here. So let's say you need something and anything randomly decided. Maybe you have a category of things. Maybe it's just a simple yes or no. How many whatever to pick. Maybe it's a number 1 through 10, and you need it randomly generated. You can easily use the decision maker to do that. So you just put in the inputs there, so what you need, and then it'll go ahead and do that. The same thing for the team maker. So let's say you have a team that you need to make, and you need like multiple groups, and you don't know exactly how to sort out. For example, let's say you have 5 people on your work group, and you need to sort out into one team of 2 and one team of 3, or something of that sort. You have 6 people, and you need to sort them out into 3 different groups of 2. You can do that easily with Team Maker. You can just add a new category. So it'll say work, for example. I can go in there, and then I can add on the different players, and then I can number of team you want to create. So I can assign the number of teams I want to create. So for example, 2 or something. I'll say team 1 and team 2, and then I can put the team members in and easily go in there and have that sorted out on its own. Additionally, it has support for iCloud, so you can go here and you can sync it with iCloud very easily. You can also share your list super simple. You can easily click on a list, it will go out and it'll easily email it. It makes it a really nice viewable list for you to email out if need be. And of course, at the bottom here, you also have some other stuff. So you have more, so you can read more about upgrading to the full version, restoring your purchases. You can click into settings here and go into settings and change stuff like color, for example. So you can change the color of certain items here and turn on stuff like sound and vibration. And you can go into help here and see all of the gestures that you can do along with the decision making and team maker, how to use those in certain situations. So again, this is Laza List, definitely worth checking out in the App Store. There's a free and a full version for you to check out. And again, it's available in the iOS App Store today.